RightScale is a company that markets software as a service for managing the equipment that provides cloud computing. The company is based in Santa Barbara, California, USA, with offices in Seattle, Singapore, Australia, and the UK. History: Jonathan Siegel and Horsten von Achen co-founded RightScale, originally as AWS-console.com. AWS Console launched 122,006 in a screencast posted by Siegel to the Ruby on Rails mailing group. On March 26, 2007, Amazon Web Services contacted AWS Console and gave notice of potential infringement of their trademark on AWS. AWS Console was relaunched as RightScale at RailsConf on March 17, 2007 and further promoted at O'Reilly Tech on March 27, 2007 as a joint venture between ELC Technologies and Horsten von Achen. Siegel sold his shares in RightScale on December 15, 2009. Horsten von Achen, a former professor of computer science at Cornell University, left to manage systems architecture for Expertcity, the startup company that became Citrix Online. Jonathan Siegel and Horsten von Achen were joined by RightScale CEO Michael Crandall, and RightScale Vice President of Engineering Rafael Saavedra. RightScale received $4.5 million in venture capital in April 2008, $13 million in December 2008 and $25 million in September 2010. On July 18, 2012, RightScale announced its acquisition of the Scotland-based Plan4Cloud.com, which provides a free cloud cost forecasting service. RightScale introduced the cloud maturity model with the release of his second annual State of the Cloud report on April 25, 2013. The report findings are based on a RightScale survey of 625 IT decision-makers and categorized according to the cloud maturity model, which is an analysis and segmentation of companies based on their varying degrees of cloud adoption. Partnerships: RightScale partners with private cloud providers Apache Cloud Stack and OpenStack to help enterprises more easily build and manage their private clouds. RightScale also enables users to manage hybrid cloud infrastructure by migrating workloads between their private clouds and public clouds operated by Amazon Web Services, Rackspace Cloud, Windows Azure, and Google Compute Engine among others. On November 5, 2012, RightScale announced that it had joined the open-source cloud computing project OpenStack, and was expanding its relationship with cloud hosting provider Rackspace to integrate with Rackspace Open Cloud products powered by OpenStack. In February 2013, RightScale became the first cloud management company to resell Google Compute Engine public cloud infrastructure. On April 15, 2013, RightScale announced that it would provide enterprise support for Windows Azure in conjunction with the Microsoft announcement of its general availability release of Windows Azure Infrastructure Services. See also, cloud infrastructure providers that RightScale supports: Amazon Web Services, CloudStack, DataPipe, Google Compute Engine, HP Cloud Services, OpenStack, Rackspace Cloud, SoftLayer, Windows Azure. References. External links: official site.